Did you know that the number of YouTube channels dedicated to film and cinematography has surged by over 150% in the past few years? Have you ever wondered how mastering filmmaking skills could transform your storytelling? In today's video, we'll dive into the essential YouTube channels every film enthusiast should follow. Learning cinematography techniques online has never been more accessible, and these channels offer a wealth of knowledge to elevate your craft. With thousands of YouTube channels available, finding high-quality and informative content focused on cinematography can feel overwhelming. You're sifting through endless videos, unsure which creators truly understand and teach the art of filmmaking. Let's cut through the noise and highlight 10 essential YouTube channels that stand out in the crowded space. Channels like Film Riot offer practical tips and tricks for DIY filmmakers, while Cinefix delves into film theory and detailed analysis of movie scenes. Indie Mogul focuses on low-budget filmmaking, providing creative hacks and solutions for budding directors. Every Frame a Painting dissects iconic scenes frame by frame, teaching visual storytelling techniques. One particularly standout channel is Filmmaker IQ, known for its in-depth tutorials and well-researched video essays. This channel offers unparalleled insights into cinematography, from lighting techniques to the history of film technologies. Filmmaker IQ should be a top choice for anyone serious about understanding the intricacies of filmmaking. To recap, these 10 YouTube channels are indispensable resources for anyone looking to enhance their cinematography skills. Each channel brings a unique perspective and expertise that can help you grow as a filmmaker. So what are your favorite channels? Drop a comment below. Ask us your burning questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more content that fuels your passion for filmmaking and cinematography tutorials.